Hello guys, welcome to SA Apps Info. Today I will show you how to bold text on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, go to the Facebook and type your post. Now tap on the text and copy this. Now go to the browser and search appsymbols.com. You can bold your text on this website. I will add this link on description box. Please check. Now tap and hold and paste your text. Here is the text. Now click copy and the text is copied. Now go to Facebook and delete those and paste it. Now post. Here is your post. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.